Beminyoro nigo bagenderire gusegetwa hase okwenekia ngoswa bare hase obotumiki bwechinjira chiekerero hase oboremi ao erio banyare koba bakwegendereria hase ensemo yogokinya rigesa hase ebimeri byabo nabo igokwenekia obonge bwendagera hase amatuko are motwe koreng'ana na baria babwate obomanyi naenda bachakire kubwatania amaganio yoboremi hase chinsemo ao nigo basokire na koteba omukiono bwente kobekwa egento boigo kirakonye omoremi hande mono chingaki endemero yarorokanire gokea hase omugusi naende noboremi bose endemero yang'ere gokea hase orogongo rwagusi
asa marieta ngorukuniko tiso buno omoremi ngaite ngotema tore ko make profit nonye nchira abanyingi nchiri igoro mono because the inputs gose bintu biri togotumeka gaiga mugondo mbire expensive mono so ngotema tore at least ngonyora tore profit because ngonyora nde bese yungo ngotumia as a farmer nene ngonyora nde yungwa abari togokora na barabwirasi base farm ya ito ya Nictex Seedlings Farm ndobwate abantu bagokoregasi bare more than 20 ndobwate bari tokoroka casuals na barabu bare 12 alafu ndobwate bari permanent bare 20.
My name is Faith. So this is our demo farm. We planted it 3 months ago. Na tulifanya kitu inaitwa drip irrigation. Tulipanda tukitumia drips. Na there was a time pia tulifanya furrow irrigation. So we used both drip irrigation na furrow irrigation. Hapa seedlings tulitoa kwetu. We do our own seedlings in our nurseries. I encourage farmers to wafanye hii modern technology as compared to tukikombea na zile za kitambo. This is at least hii inakupea more yields than the kitambo. Ya kitambo hata unaweza panda unapata the seeds ama the seedlings zimekufa before zimature. The advantages of this, kitu ya kwanza ina save space. As you can see venye tumepanda like at a small space na mimea mingi. So advantage ya kwanza it saves space. Alafu the other advantage ya kutumia furrow irrigation, your mimea haiwezi dry. Juu hata dry season ikiwa, as long as you have mali unatoa maji uweke kwa drips haiwezi kufa.
Chigasi ekibono ometa sikire chigasi yabolire kose obo chigasi yakeire so liba katoko ligie gasi nabona into tokotema to create